what's up guys, it's Banu here from Andro.com. This is the all-new Samsung Galaxy Note 10. And here inside this bag, I have something special. And that is the all-new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Yes, this time around Samsung is giving us two variants of the Galaxy Note. And in this video, let's go ahead and unbox the all-new Galaxy Note 10 Plus and see what comes inside the box. So this is an exclusive unboxing of the all-new Galaxy Note 10 Plus right here in Sri Lanka. If you guys are excited for this video, definitely go ahead and smash that like button. And thanks to iDealz for giving me early access to the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. If you guys are new to my channel, definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now. Let's go ahead and explore the all-new Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the Galaxy Note 10. Alright, so this is the box of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So at the front we have a picture of the S Pen along with the Note 10 Plus branding, and at the top of the box we have the IMEI number and all of that other information, and at the back of the box we have the specifications of the device. So this is the 256GB version of the Note 10 Plus, and it mentions all the specifications of the Note 10 Plus, and it also mentions Samsung Knox. And on the side it mentions about the Samsung warranty, and it mentions that this is indeed the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And at the bottom we have the IMEI number and the color details. So this is the Aura Black version of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So let's go ahead and break this wrapping and get into the box of the Note 10 Plus. So first off, peeling off this plastic, we have the box of the Note 10 Plus, and here we have a seal that we have to break into to get into the box. So let me quickly do that. After cutting open the seal of the box, here we have the Note 10 Plus. First off, we have the user manuals with all the other information here. We also have the SIM ejection tool, so I will just leave that to the side. And here we have the main event, that is the Note 10 Plus. So there's a small leaflet here that has the Samsung branding, and this is the all new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus with 4 cameras at the back. We have the circular camera at the front. So leaving that to the side, the other things we get inside the box are, the first thing, we have the super fast charging charger that Samsung has included inside the box. So here we have Samsung super fast charging unit. It has the USB type C port here, and the wall plug is over here, so you can use this to charge your Galaxy Note 10. It's the first time that we are actually getting a USB type C, and actually the cables that are included with the Note 10 Plus are also USB type C. So if you don't have a device that supports USB type C, you will have to actually go ahead and pick up a separate cable. So both ends of the charging cable are USB type C, so that might be a problem if you don't have a USB type C device. But for me, because I use a MacBook, this is really great. And here we also have the AKG tuned headphones that we have seen as always. Next we find some S Pen tips in this box, and also we find the USB type C to USB A adapter that is included inside the box. So leaving all of that to the side, now let's get into the phone and let's quickly power it on. So here I have the Galaxy Note 10, and this is the Note 10 Plus. So as you guys can clearly see, there is a slight difference in the size. The Note 10 Plus is 6.8 inches, whereas the Note 10 is not that big looking. So in comparison, the Note 10 Plus, I would say, is quite similar in size to the Galaxy S10 Plus. So let's go ahead and turn it on for the very first time. So this time around Samsung has moved the power button from the right hand side to the left hand side, so this time around we don't have a specific key for Bixby. We only have one key for that. So that's that. But if you're right-handed, you might definitely miss the power button on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So this is the welcome screen of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Here you can go ahead and select your country and go ahead and configure your smartphone the way you want. So let me know if you guys would like to see a dedicated video that covers the initial setup of the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. If you want that, drop a comment and let me know. Well guys, that's it for my unboxing of the all new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I hope you guys found this video useful. I also have the Note 10 here for reference. So here's a good size difference between the two. I'll definitely come up with a separate video that will walk through all the features that you should know about the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. If there are any other type of videos that you guys would like to see featuring the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus, definitely let me know by dropping a comment down below as well. And I actually picked up my Galaxy Note 10 Plus from iDealz Sri Lanka, so I will have their contact details down below if you guys are interested in picking one up for yourself as well. If you're new to my channel, definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now and follow me on social media. I am at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. And stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.